Hello everyone. For the assignment 6, you don't have to do that in the Copilot Studio or in the Copilot 365, but you just need to read the instructions of the Flip Class 6 and also watch the video that I have recorded for the Flip Class 6. And then after that, you can extract the answer of the assignment 6 from that document. Yeah. Okay, so I will be showing you this. So I'm going to open the Teams, and then after that, yeah, here you go. Okay, after that, in the FC recording, I will be uploading the Flip Class 6, which I have prepared earlier. Okay, files, yeah, okay, wait, let me FC recording. Okay, here you go. So I already have prepared 3 files uploading here. Yeah. Okay, and then other than that, you also need to go to the LMS. Wait, let me open. Okay, here you go. In the LMS. Okay, so scroll, and then after that, look for the session 20, assignment 6. Okay, so this is the document, the instructions. So you need to answer this question, like what some way Copilot can assist HR professional in their work flow, and then how does the Copilot inward contribute to improving productivity for the HR professional. Yeah, okay. And also for the Excel, Copilot in Excel and Copilot in the Word. This one is Copilot 365. Yeah? Okay, so this is the template, and this is the assignment template. Yeah, so you download. Okay, once you download, then you get the PowerPoint file, and then you just need to put in the answer file here. So where you get the answer file is basically from the FC6. Okay, this is the template for the assignment 6. Yeah? You put your answer here, Copilot in Word. Yeah? But how can you get the answer? For example, what are some way Copilot can assist HR professional in their workflow? Okay, so the answer is here. In the last flip class here, 19, yeah? And then after that, open. Yes, here you go. So you download the PDF. Okay, after that, open. This one, yeah. So Copilot for HR, yeah, can be used for recruitment, onboarding. Yeah, okay. So you can just copy this, and then put as the answer for this one. Yeah. What are some way Copilot can assist HR professional in their workflow? Yeah. Okay. So you put the answer here. Answer. Like this. Yeah. For recruitment, and then after that, onboarding. Yeah, okay. Then after that, performance. After that, employee engagement. Okay. Then after that, that's this one. Yeah. Then how does Copilot work contribute improving productivity for the HR professional? Yeah. Then also the resume screening. Okay. So you just go through this document. Yeah. For the productivity, and then after that, for the okay. Yes. Yep. Okay. Job description. Yeah. Then after that, okay. So I put the sample. You can find under the this sample and template. You scroll down. Then this one. Yeah. Assignment 6 sample. Okay. Yeah. Copilot in Word. Yeah. Then after that, uh, contribute improving productivity. HR professional. Okay. Yeah. So then Excel. Copilot in Excel. Okay. Yeah. So this. But if you want to see how that works, you watch the recording, which I already put here in the FC recording. So this one, part 1, part 2, part 3. So this one is to use the Copilot 365 for the word, for the job description, and then analyze resume, and then analyze the finance, yeah, finance analysis report. Okay, then after that, once you answer, you save it, then after that, submit as a part of the assignment 6. Yeah? So again, the sample is here. You use your own word. Yeah, this one is just for sample. You use your own word to answer the question in the assignment 6. This is I provide you as a sample. Yeah, as reference. But you should use your own words. So you don't have to go to the Copilot Studio or Copilot 365 to practice. You only need to answer the question. And for the demonstration, you can watch the video in this FC6. You scroll down until the last. There are 3 parts. Yeah? Okay, so I hope this explain if you have completed all the assignment, including assignment 5, how to complete the assignment 6. For the project, then I will talk explain separately, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, okay.